Another great Canva new is animated bar chart race. Tell a captivating data story with the newest animated bar chart race. On the Canva homepage, we can click Create a design, and now we can select any design. For example, I am choosing presentation. Now let's go to the left side menu and click Elements. Now let's go down, and here we will find charts. Click See All. And here we will find new Canva update bar race chart. We can click on it. Now we can adjust the data, we can adjust the color. We can go to settings, and here we can adjust data selection. And when we go to present, and we can click present, we can click play button, and here you go. Great, yes? Now let's see how we can add bubble plots into our graphics. Let's come back, and now we can add a page, and we can choose scatter and dot chart. When the chart is selected, we can click on it, and we can adjust the data. And now we can click here on the top. We see marker, and we can adjust the size and the bubble plots. Great, yes?